Good morning, children. This is your second lesson in your term 2 book. The Chain of Smileys. The Chain of Smileys. Writer of this lesson, Pedro Pablo Sacristan. Already I explained you this lesson. I hope you all understood, children. Now we are going to read this lesson. Okay? The CHAIN, chain, OF of SMILES, smiles. The chain of smileys. One day, ONE1DAY, one day, Miss Alice gave the students of class 2 some homework. ONE1DAY, one day, MISS, Miss ELLIS, Alice gave the students for STUDENTS, students of CLASS class 2 SOME, some HOMEWORK work. One day, Miss Alice gave the students of class 2 some homework. They would be happiness. THEY, WOULD, would be, they would be happiness, HAPPINESS, happiness. Collectors, COLLECTORS, collectors. Collector means people who collect objects because they are beautiful or interesting. Okay, happiness. Collectors, they had to see what would happen when they made people happy. THEY, they had, HAD had, TO2 SEC, what, WHAT what, WOULD would, HAPPN happen when they made people happy. Once again, read along with me. One day, Miss Ailey gave the students of class 2 some homework. They would be happiness. You have to underline happiness. HAPPINESS, happiness. Collectors also have to underline, children. COLLECTORS, collectors. They had to see what would happen when they made people happy. One day, Miss Ailey gave the students of class 2 some homework. They would be happiness. Collectors, they had to see what would happen when they made people happy. All the students, all, THE, STUDENTS, students, worked, WORKED, worked very hard. All the students worked very hard. But Carla did something quite unique. But CARLA, Carla, did SOMETHING, something quite, QUIT, quite unique, UNIQUE, unique means something special, unique. But Carla did something quite unique. All the students worked very hard, but Carla did something quite unique. She came to class carrying a big sack. SHE, CAME, came, TO2 CLASS, class. She came to class carrying. Unique, you have to underline, children. CARRYING, carrying also underline. She came to class carrying a big sack. BIG, big, SACK, sack. She came to class carrying a big sack. Carla came to the class with carrying a big sack. Okay, sack means sanchi. What is this, Carla? Asked Miss Ellie. Asked what she asked? What is this, Carla? Asked Miss Ellie. Here in this bag, I have all the happiness I have collected so far, she said, smiling. Once again, repeat along with me. H-E-R-E, here in this bag, I have all the happiness. Happiness, happiness. I have collected. You have to underline, children. Collected. 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 So, F-A-R, far, so far, she said, smiling. Here in this bag, I have all the happiness I have collected so far, she said, smiling. The Miss Carla is asked to Carla, what is this, Carla? She is giving answer. Here in this bag, I have all the happiness I have collected so far, she said. Everyone, E-V-E-R-Y-O-N-E, everyone was E-A-G-E-R, eager to know more. Everyone was eager to know. E-V-E-R-Y-N-O-E, everyone you have to underline. E-A-G-G-E-R, eager to know more. Everyone in the class, all of you eagerly waiting. What is that? They want to know. Once again, repeat along with me. Everyone was eager to know more. But Carla did not want to show anyone. Beauty but C-A-R-L-A, Carla did not want, W-A-N-T, want to show anyone. But Carla did not want to show anyone. Carla did not want to show anything. Okay. What was in the sack? What was in the sack instead? What was in the sack instead? I-N-S-T-E-A-D. You have to underline, children. What was in the sack instead? The pulled. P-U-L-L-E-D. Pulled also you have to underline, children. Inserted. Pulled out a box and gave it to. She pulled out a box and gave it to her teacher. She pulled out a box, B-O-X box, and G-A-V-E, gave, I-T-E, T-O-2, H-E-R, her, T-A-C-H-E-R, teacher. She pulled out a box and gave it to her teacher. She then took an S-H-E, T-H-E-N, then T-O-O-K, took A-N, instant camera, I-N-S-T-A-N-T, instant camera, C-A-M-E-R-A. You have to underline, children. Instant camera, out of her own pocket and waited. O-U-T out, O-F off, H-E-R her, O-W-N own, P-O-C-K-E-T pocket and waited, W-A-I-T-E-D, waited. She then took an instant camera out of her own pocket and waited. Open it, Miss Ellie, she said. The teacher slowly opened the box and looked inside. The T-H-E, the T-E-A-C-H-E-R, teacher, S-L-O-W-L-Y, slowly you have to underline. Opened, O-P-E-N-E-D, opened also underline. The box and looked, L-O-O-K-E-D, looked inside. The teacher slowly opened the box and looked inside. A big smile shone, S-H-O-N-E, shone on her face. A big smile shone on her face at that moment. M-O-M-E-N-T, at that moment. Here, moment also you have to underline, children. Moment means at that time, ante aa kshanamlo, appudu, okay? A time. at that moment. Carla snapped, S-N-A-P-P-E-D, snapped also underline. Carla snapped a photo. Carla snapped a photo. A photo popped, P-O-P-P-E-D, popped also have to underline, children. A photo popped out of the camera. A photo popped out of the camera. She gave it to Miss Ellie along with a sheet of paper. Sheet of paper. She gave it to Miss Alice along with a sheet of paper. The teacher, T-E-A-C-H-E-R, the teacher read it in silence. Silence also you have to underline, children. S-I-L-E-N-C-E. The teacher read it in silence. When she had finished, F-I-N-I-S-H-E-D, finished, you have to underline, children. When she had finished, she pointed, P-O-I-N-T-E-D, pointed to the sack. When she had finished, she pointed to the sack. Once again, repeat along with me. A photo popped out of the camera. She gave it to Miss Alice along with a sheet of paper. She gave it to Miss Alice along with a sheet of paper. The teacher read it in silence. When she had finished, she pointed to the sack. She pointed to the sack. Oh, so it is. Oh, so it is. Yes, said Carla. It is, G-R-E-A-T, great big chain of smileys, said Carla. It is a great big chain of smileys. Smileys you have to underline, children. S-M-I-L-E-S, smileys. She opened the sack and S-H-E-C-O-P-E-N-E-D, opened the S-A-C-K sack and hundreds, H-U-N-D-R-E-D-S, hundreds of photos fell out. When she opened the sack, hundreds of photos fell out. She opened the sack and hundreds of photos fell out. All of different smileys. All of different smileys. Different you have to underline, children. D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-T. Different. Different smileys. Each one of them beautiful. B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L. Beautiful also you have to underline, children. Each one of them beautiful. She also showed the open box to the students. S-H-E-C-A-L-S-O, also. S-H-O-W-E-D, showed you have to underline. The O-P-E-N, open, B-O-X, box, T-O-2, T-H-E, the students, S-T-U-D-E-N-T, students. She also showed the open box to the students. Everyone now understood how Carla had made such a great big chain of happiness. That time everyone understood how Carla made such a great big chain of happiness. E-V-E-R-Y-N-O-N-E, everyone. N-O-W now. U-N-D-E-R-S-T-O-O-D. Understood you have to underline, children? Understood how Carla, C-A-R-L-A, Carla had. H-A-D had, M-A-D-E made, S-U-C-H such, A, G-R-E-A-T great, B-I-G big, C-H-A-I-N chain of happiness. Everyone now understood how Carla had made such a great big chain of happiness. In the box was a photo of a big smiley. In the box was a photo of a big smile. Everyone who had seen it had, everyone who had seen it had also felt happy. Everyone who had seen it had also felt happy without even thinking about it. Without even thinking about it. They had smiled when they saw it. They had smiled when they saw it. All her classmates were now smiling. All her classmates, you have to underline, children. CLASSMATES, classmates. Once again repeat along with me. CLASSMATES, classmates were now smiling. Carla took a photo of each one of them. Carla took a photo of each one of them. She gave them their own photo along with a sheet of paper. She gave them their own photo along with a sheet of paper. On the sheet, she asked them to do the same with other people and send a copy of the photos to her home address. She distributed all their own photos along with a sheet of paper. On this sheet, she wanted to send other people, send a copy of them, her home address. Okay. She gave her home address also. For months afterwards, Carla's post box was always full with photos of happy, smiling people. For months afterwards, okay, after few months, Carla's post box was full with photos of happy, smiling people. Once again, repeat along with me. For months afterwards, Carla's post box you have to underline, children. Afterwards, you have to underline. Always full with photos of happy, smiling people. So, every time you smile, you are spreading happiness. Every time you smile, you are spreading happiness. Spreading, SPEADING, spreading. SPREADING, spreading. Once again, repeat along with me. SPREADING, spreading. Happiness, HAPPINESS, happiness. So, every time you smile, you are spreading happiness. Okay. All of you watch this video 3-4 times to read this lesson. After that, whatever words you have to underline, that underlined words, each one 3 times in your classwork. Read and write the hard words, each 3 times in your classwork. Okay, children? Thank you.